Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you know how you always see those tasty BuzzFeed videos where they make food and it's like under 3 minutes and they whip it up like that? I wanted to see if I could make the cheesecake, the chocolate cheesecake with the Rice Krispy Crust. Will I prevail in this recipe or will I fail? Let's see. Let's talk about the cake. Now look, I really wanted to like this cake. Obviously I made it for Thanksgiving, so I wanted my family to like it as well. But it is super, super rich, like richer than any cream cheese dessert that I've ever had. It's super, super rich. Like zings you, you know? Honestly, the only thing that I'm gonna eat on this piece is gonna be the crust because I love Rice Krispie treats. And they came out great. But the rest of it, I'm just gonna peel it away from the middle part. So let's talk about the verdict for this pie. Because unfortunately, I'm gonna rate it a 4 out of 10. Because if you can't eat it, it shouldn't get anything above a 5 out of 10. And I can't really eat the middle part of it. It's just way too sweet. I think it needs to have less sugar and a lot more of the whipped cream. Something to make it a little bit more light. Especially after a heavy meal. The last thing you want is a heavy cheesecake. So I'm gonna go ahead and score this a 4. Now it was really, really easy to make. I do want to say that. The no bake part of it, making the crust, making it was really, really easy. But would I change a lot of the ingredients? Definitely. So that's my verdict. My verdict is that it's a 4 out of 10. Very easy to make, but when you can't really eat it because it's so rich, what's the point? Right? Do you guys like it when I review these recipes? I almost want to do like a recipe review and kind of make a segment where I go over the recipes and try to make the recipes that I've collected and see if I like them or what I would change, if anything, about them. What do you guys think? Is that something that you guys would like to see? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm Heather. Thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.